actually am filming on a phone. That's why it looks really bad. So yeah, let's get started. First is my coral poppet. I do have another one that it came with, but it's in the car, so yeah. Anyways, I rate this one, let's see, I rate this a 9 out of 10 because I don't really like poppets. Poppets aren't my favorites, so yeah. Next is my Orbeez stress ball. I really like this, and this is my first Orbeez stress ball and my first stress ball that I bought. Anyways, I give this a 9.5 out of 10 because it's my favorite. But I really like Neatos, and I'm so excited because I'm gonna get one soon. So yeah. Next is my Simple Dimple. It's off-brand, but it's still really good. I think it's what a real Simple Dimple feels like the pops and stuff. So yeah, it's really good. 10 out of 10. Next is this Wacky Track. I don't like it that much. Yeah, just don't like it. But I really like the Wacky Track. It kind of sounds like a Wacky Track, but it's not the same. I give this an 8 out of 10. But I think I'm gonna get a Wacky Track soon, so I'm so excited. So this one might be one of my favorites, but this one is my DIY Wacky Track Tingle, and on a tutorial that I watched, how to make a DIY Wacky Track. This is what it used, but I guess it feels like a tangle more than a Wacky Track because I felt like a Wacky Track before. Didn't feel like this, so I'm gonna give this DIY Tangle a 10 out of 10. Even though it's DIY, it's still really good. Bye guys. Let me know what should be the next video. I probably will post it tomorrow or yeah, tomorrow I have something, so I might not be able to be active tomorrow or post. So I'll probably do it on Monday or late on Sunday. So anyways, yeah. And comment down below what's your favorite fidget. And by the way, so after this video comes out, I'm going to do the discussion tab right away, and then maybe you can yeah, I don't really know, you guys can chat there, guess the video ideas, stuff like that. So anyways, don't forget to comment your favorite fidget and what video I should make next. Bye. Oh, and the video idea I like the most I will do next. So yeah. Bye now. Bye.